Hi and welcome. Today I'll be talking about tire levers, and this is not a paid advert, but I wanted to show and recommend this model of tire levers. They are made by a company called Pedro's, and I will put affiliate link if I find it on sale somewhere online, and I will also put the link so that you can see the model, the exact model, because I don't know what exactly is this called, but they cost relatively affordably, a few dollars. I'm not sure of the exact price. Maybe even $5 or something like that for a pair. And these work very easily, very efficiently. They are very strong even for stubborn tires. I can remove them, and they work for both mountain bikes and for road bikes, for those smaller capacity tires. And it's some sort of hard plastic that doesn't flex, and they don't damage rims, so they work perfectly. I will show just briefly how they are used. Of course, you deflate the tire. I've already made videos about how to change a tire. So you deflate it completely, and then you unstick the rim from both sides all around, and then you can start it close to the valve to start removing it if you wish, or if you cannot get the grip there, you start somewhere a bit away from that and just align with the spoke and keep it like this, and then you go on around the whole rim to remove it. I find it difficult to not see what I'm doing, so let's get here. Trying not to block the camera, but I can now keep going. 2 are enough. If you have some really stubborn tire, you might go with 3, so that when you lock it in one place, let's show here around the spoke, you lock it around one place. This is a very stubborn tire. Once you do that, you can lock it around the spoke and take a third one to move on if the tire won't stay in place. So I would lock it here and take a third one to move on, and then the middle one usually falls out, so I can move them one at a time. But with these levers, I've always managed so far to work with just 2, and I get it loosened a bit, and after a while I'm even at liberty to do something like this, which is generally not advised, but especially for steel or aluminum rims, I've had no problems with damage to either the tire or the rim, as long as I'm not pulling with great force. If it doesn't go easily, then by all means use it like this. And anyway, so that's how they work. And for comparison, screwdriver is a very bad idea, because you will very likely cause some more punctures on your tube. If you have one puncture, you will make another one, very likely, and also you're more likely to damage the rim or even the tire. For other alternatives, here I have some no-name steel ones that I used to use on very stubborn, like Schwalbe Marathon tires, but these work with them as well. I have these made by Junior that are, in my opinion, very poor design, and I don't enjoy using these. They look brand new after years, so I would not recommend these. So sorry, Junior. These are made by Schwalbe. They have something like this to allegedly help you mount the tire by sticking it onto the frame to keep it in place. It's utter nonsense. I punched it out to make it easy to hang them on a wall, and I thought they were a good idea for some road bicycle tires or thinner tires, but I hardly ever use these. These are some old that I used to carry in my backpack for servicing, and also not too bad but not too good. This one is not very good, and of all these tire levers, this is what I would use and recommend, and by far the best performing. So that's all I have for you today. If you need something smaller, easier to carry, this might be a good idea made by Schwalbe, but I think it's best to find a place for levers like this, or if you have aluminum rims and you don't mind perhaps even scratching a bit. What I use in my backpack for carrying and spare tools are levers that look like these two. They work okay and they are quite compact. You can always find a place to stick one of these in. So that's what's in my toolbox and what I use. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in some other video. Cheers.